Now it is quite obvious that you and your mother are looking for my trouble, and I'll make sure that I give it to you people.
What is... Eh? Is this not your uncle? Are you not her uncle? Eh? You are the uncle. I think you should be more understanding. Why are you like this? Why are you harassing her? Eh?
Listen up! Who is this? And what are you doing here? Huh? Oh, Jennifer. So you have started following men. I've been wondering where this very intestinal fortitude with which you have been talking to me of late comes from. So this is it. This is it. Now look here. I have this propensity of crushing womenizers of your ilk in less than 24 hours. And your own case is not going to be different. Rather, it is going to be an improvement of the already established record of less than 24 hours. Go and ask them about me. Now listen to me. I don't want to see this your miserable face again when next I visited this place. Now leave it.
Impossible!
I said leave this paper!
Impossible, Papa! Impossible! This is my father's compound.
Where is your father then?
This is my father's compound, Papa, and you do not have such rights here. You see this land? You have taken all our land, so agreed. But you see this land, which I am standing on, you have no such rights to order anyone who comes in and goes out of here. He is my friend, and he's come to stay, sir.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.